Welcome back to the channel, friends, and a very Merry Christmas to you. Today we're making something extra special, an in the hoop machine embroidery advent calendar that you can stitch right on your embroidery machine. It will become one of your favorite projects of the season. Before we jump in on how to create this, here's where you can download this advent calendar design completely free. One thing I've always loved about the Christmas season is advent calendars. Growing up, my mom had a simple little one that I adored. It was literally just a laminated picture of Santa with little circles on his beard, which we filled with cotton balls. Now that I have my own kids, I want them to have Christmas memories they'll cherish when they're my age. My kids love candy, probably just like yours. So I designed this advent calendar with pockets that can each hold a little treat. This design comes in two sizes, a 5x7 version and a larger 8x12 version. Both sizes require 4 hoopings, and I'll walk you through each one step by step in this video series. You'll get 4 detailed videos that show you exactly how to stitch this design from start to finish. So stick with me, check out the next 4 video tutorials in this series, and grab your free files over on my Patreon page. I cannot wait to see the advent calendars you create and the traditions you build with your families this holiday season. Thanks for watching. This design is free on my Patreon. Check the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more creative fun.